Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable table saws that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch Power Tools 4110 Table Saw. Bosch has made a name for its commitment to crafting high-quality tools, and this Bosch 4110 confirms that tradition. Although it is a little heavier than our first pick, it stands out because of the innovative features that make it a popular choice for most carpenters. When we first set our eyes on this portable table saw, it is the innovative stand that stole the show. The portable table saw comes with a gravity rise stand, which is firm and makes setting up really fast. Besides, it has strong pneumatic wheels that will easily roll on any surface when moving the table saw. The worksite table saw is powered by a strong motor that hits a maximum of 3,650 RPM, which is strong enough for most on-site and off-site cutting tasks. To increase your working efficiency, the table saw also rocks an innovative square lock rip fence. We really liked this feature because it allows you to even use one hand by gliding the workpiece along the rail and still enjoy high accuracy. Moving on at number 4, we have the SawStop 10-inch Contractor Saw. This SawStop CNS's TGP36 is one of the best portable table saws that you will get in the market. It is engineered with diverse features designed for making your work easy and producing better results. But what we found really amazing is the table saw's safety features. Every day, woodworkers lose their fingers, arms and go through traumatic experiences after getting ripped by their saws. SawStop went to great lengths to ensure that this portable table saw is secure without compromising its efficiency. The saw uses an intelligent detector that notes when your fingers or arm comes close to the blade. Then, it immediately stops and drops the blade to get the risk away completely. And the entire process takes less than 5 milliseconds. The saw is driven by a powerful 1.75 HP motor that delivers awesome speed on the blade. Besides, it works with a professional T-glide fence system designed with heavy-duty gauge steel. The fence system also offers you an expansive work surface, accurate measurement, and smooth operations. Weighing 338 pounds, this table saw is heavy, right? But look at the bright side of it. It offers you a firm working rig with reduced vibrations. This is very crucial for making precise and accurate cuts. At number 3, we have the Bosch GTS 1031 Portable Jobsite Table Saw. The Bosch GTS 1031 is another engineering marvel that delivers portability and sheer cutting prowess. Although not the lightest option out there, it is strong, firm and will cut lumber the entire day without smoking the motor. Taking a closer look, you will realize that this table saw is designed for ultimate portability. The entire rig is wisely packaged so that you can simply carry it using one hand and work on your projects no matter the job site. Another notable feature of the table saw is the tough steel base, which makes the table saw firm and able to withstand heavy impact when working on site. We also found the steel base very effective if you want to mount the table saw on a stand to raise the working height. The table saw runs on a 4.0 HP, 5,000 no-load RPM motor, which is powerful enough for most on-site cutting needs. Like other top Bosch-designed table saws, this one also comes with a smart guard system that provides superior control over the material you are cutting. You will also like the large working tabletop of 20-inch x 22-1/2 inch that allows you to work on a wide range of projects. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DW744XRS Portable Table Saw. Coming next in our list of the best job site table saw is this DeWalt DW744XRS, which is designed to make cutting tough workpieces easy and fast. Like all DeWalt products, this table saw comes with advanced features that make it a great pick for both professional carpenters and DIY tasks. The table saw runs on a 15 amp motor that delivers 3,650 RPM for fast and clean cuts. Further, its 10-inch, 24-tooth carbide blade delivers smooth cuts and also maintains the edge for a long time. We also like the saw's built-in electronic feedback system that helps to maintain the blade at a constant speed for quality cuts, even when cutting the toughest applications. DeWalt also did a great job in reducing vibrations in this table saw. Using its internal motor mechanism, the table saw helps to keep vibrations low, which also reduces wearing and tearing of parts such as the motor. This, coupled with strong construction with cast aluminum, makes the table saw long-lasting. And finally at number 1, we have the Rockwell RK7241S portable table saw. This Rockwell RK7241S is another awe-inspiring table saw that combines portability with performance. You will be impressed by the trolley's stand design with wheels that make it easy to cart the saw from the workshop to the job site and back. Well, it is like a suitcase, you simply cart away. Another outstanding feature of this saw is its laser cut line indicator that helps to improve cutting precision. Using Rockwell's laser guide technology, you always have the true cut line indicator that points at the exact point where the blade will cut the workpiece at. This makes it very effective, especially where precision is crucial. Indeed, the laser will even adjust itself when making bevel cuts. Unlike many portable 10-inch portable table saws out there, this Rockwell RK7241S will easily rip through a 4x4 lumber workpiece in one swoop. The machine has a maximum cutting depth of 3 to 9/16 of an inch when cutting lumber at 90 degrees and 2 to 9/16 of an inch at 45 degrees. In addition to the outstanding features, the table saw works with a 15 amp motor that delivers a maximum of 4,800 RPM. With all the power, this portable table saw will easily rip through any type of workpiece that you throw at it, no matter the toughness.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.